Bruno, do you want some in and out? Yeah? Go back. Where are you going? Into the dark cave of wonders? Go to the couch. Whoa, sit down. Off. Okay, sit down. Okay, on the count of 3, we're going to let you get this because you're such a good boy. Bruno, we're going to count down from 3. You're going to get it in 3, 2. Hey! Did you see that sneaky little baby? Bruno, we have to start all over. Stay. I'm going to put it right here and make you wait. 3, look at me. 2, 1, go. Did you get it? Whoa, that was good.